Hey guys, this is Jake with Essence Motorsports. We've got a lot of cars in, so we have this brand new Model S Plaid. They're doing 3M Satin Psychidellic Flip on it, so we're doing a full vinyl wrap on that. We're doing Stealth on this as well, so we're doing full Xpel Ultimate plus Stealth, and then we're doing full window tint all around as well. It's gonna be a busy week. Hopefully we get a lot of filming in for you guys of us laying down film, showing you guys the difference between the gloss and the Stealth. So yeah, we hope you guys enjoy.